Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Aura in Aura Craft. First, understand that Alpha Aura is a powerful and rare item, requiring dedication to acquire. You'll need to prepare your character and gather specific resources before embarking on the quest. We'll cover everything from initial requirements to the final crafting process, ensuring you have all the information needed to succeed. Before starting, ensure you have at least 50,000 gold, as several quest items will require this currency. Your character also needs a base strength of 25 and agility of 30 to handle the challenges ahead. Once prepared, your first objective is to locate the ancient altar, which is hidden deep within the Whispering Woods, a challenging area to navigate. Upon reaching the ancient altar, you must activate it using 1 unit of arcane dust, a rare material found in high-level zones. This activation triggers a challenging event where you'll face 3 waves of spectral guardians. You have a strict 5-minute time limit to defeat them all. Successfully completing this trial will reward you with the crucial Alpha Shard. With the Alpha Shard in hand, proceed to any crafting station in the game. Here, you will combine the Alpha Shard with 1 pure essence to begin the final crafting process. This step takes approximately 15 seconds to complete, after which your Alpha Aura will be ready. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They can really make meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.